Morning. And what are we driving today? Green Evo. What is up, world? Gravity Rally is right around the corner. We got good news and we got bad news. Good news is we are locked and loaded. I got a little surprise for you guys, but I don't have a co-driver or a co-pilot, so I'm gonna have to do this rally by myself. But who needs a co-pilot in life, right? I don't have my seatbelt on. I'm just backing it in. So yeah, we're gonna do a little unveiling. I got something cool for you. So hang with me, because here we go. What is up? All right, let me show you what's going down. You know, the saying goes, when you don't feel like vlogging, take out that camera and start vlogging. Got Mr. Vicky over here on the ones and twos. Got Mr. Carlos. So the goal we're working on, Evo 10. So Vicky's over here sanding down the car. So Vicky's doing non-painted areas. Non-primered areas. Carlos is doing primered areas. And we're doing a little bit of bodywork. Picasso. Goal for today, sand and paper. And if we have time, we're about to prime this whole car. We're putting up one even coat. Mr. Carlos over there. Yeah, when you want it to zoom in, it doesn't zoom in. So Carlos is blocking. Yeah, that was the guy on the four-wheeler. He's the character of the shot. Anyway. So Mr. Vicky, look at Vicky, killing time. Vicky, what are you doing?
He's mad.
Oh, Vicky, what are you doing?
I sent him.
Man, that's great. Anyway, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Take out the wing. I did my part, took out the glue. Gotta pull out the moldings. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So, just want to give you an update. We are working on the final edition. And it'll be ready for paint real soon. And I got a little reveal to do. I should do it right now, since I got some time. Here we go. So, what do we got? Got a little package in the mail. Check this out. Ba-boom. So we'll do a little reveal for you. Let me grab a little razor blade. So, it's in the box. Soon find out. Right here. A box inside of a box. Anyway, this right here is a box inside of a box, but it's a special box because this is, ta-da, my race helmet for the gravity ride. Actually, this was supposed to be my co-pilot's race helmet because I already have a race helmet. He was like, "Did you buy me a helmet?" And last minute he pulled out. But it's okay. I'm glad he told me early. So I'm co-pilotless. So check this bad boy out right here. Got the purple just like the Evo. That's the reason why I bought it. White, I got because it matches my faceless mask. So this one is a face mask, I believe. Well, it has the lid on it just in case of an engine fire, which is always good. I don't think that's gonna happen, but awesome. This is pretty cool. And this one's all regulated by somebody. And it's 2020 regulated. I guess that's what you need. So yeah, so here we go. Check that out. It's the new. This is my helmet for the purple Evo. Got a little bit of purple on it. So yeah, let me go outside and show Carlos. I was telling him about it, but I was gonna do a little reveal. And yeah, here we go. Yeah, So it's a Snell SA 2020. And required over there is SA 2015. So this is new. This is very new. So we're ahead of the curve. Awesome. So there you go. Hope you liked it. All right. So sometimes you just have to get to work. So I didn't really film, but check this out. All primed up. Look at that. And guide coated. Man, I wish I would have filmed it because the first coat it came out really sandy, and I kind of almost gave up, and then got a little bit of advice and redid it. Oops. Check this out. Ooh, I went heavy on the guide coat because it didn't run, but it was about to run over here, so I went a little heavier so we know where to block it. Yeah, and I didn't have to. We could have painted right over it, but I want it to get better and better and better as we do it, because this one's a keeper. So this paint job has to last plus like 10 plus years. Just wanted to show you that. Primed up, so now when Carl's on vacation again, once he gets back, we're gonna block this bad boy and start the basin. But first I have to order some paint. So I have no paint. I have no paint, no clear. So, but looking good though. Check it out. Hello world. So I am here editing, and I just realized I didn't do an outro. So that's all I got. So we're definitely working on the final edition. So stay tuned, and you'll see more. We should be ready to paint real soon. So like the saying goes, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next vlog. Take care of yourselves.